Hey guys, Disney Fun surprises here with this Hello Kitty painting board and this Hello Kitty toy. Her dress is full with polka dots. Also, we have prepared a sheet of stickers so that we can decorate the painting board a little bit. Now let's open the painting board and see how it works. Let's put all the parts in place and take a close look at the painting board. It has numbers on the lower part of the painting board. Now let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is a sheet of stickers full of Hello Kitty. We can use some of the stickers to add visual flair to the painting board. Here we go. These stickers are water resistant. These waterproof stickers can last longer and more durable. Here is a paper with the Hello Kitty artist on it. We have to remove it from the painting board. Let me think. What subject am I going to draw first? Do you want me to draw Hello Kitty? Yes, sure. Let's make a sketch of Hello Kitty first. Looks like she gains a little weight, but she still looks cute. Maybe you think much while you're drawing. Simply draw what you see. Don't think too much and please keep on trying. I'll try again, okay? This time I'll fully concentrate on what I have to do. Maybe I can try to draw the Hello Kitty on the front paper. Oh, I have a better idea. I can draw PEZ Hello Kitty on a Hello Kitty PEZ dispenser. Here we go. Wow, this PEZ Hello Kitty really inspires me to draw. Let's see how we can make use of this painting tool. Here we have a triangle stem. We can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. 6 triangles. Make a boat. B-O-A-T, boat. And with this circle stem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. We can make a flower. What am I going to draw next? You can draw anything. You can draw cartoon characters like me. I don't know if I can manage a drawing like this. Okay then, don't draw me. Instead, draw the shapes around me. You're right. That would make drawing so much easier. Thank you, Redbird. Simply draw the shapes around Redbird. I got you, Redbird. Wow, it turned out amazing. Well, this is our second drawing of cartoon characters today. Thank you, Redbird. What's next? Let me think. I don't have any idea now. Oh, hello, Peppa. How about drawing a picture of me? I know you can do it well. Yes, that's a good idea. I can make a sketch of you. Okay then, I think I'm gonna give it a try. Right here, right now. Thank you, Peppa. I'll start by drawing Peppa's nose. Wow, she just just make pig sounds. And then the rough shape of Peppa's head. Then her eyes, ears, a big smile on her face, a circle on her cheek, her body, and Peppa's arms. She has 2 fingers and 1 thumb on each arm. It's done. That's an awesome sketch you've just made. You're doing fairly well. You should keep sketching. It's nice to draw, isn't it? Well guys, like and subscribe to Disney Fun Surprises and stay on for a lot more from Peppa Pig, Angry Bird and Hello Kitty on Disney Fun Surprises. Bye bye. Cheerio.